Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a one balloon shamrock or 3-leaf clover. This is perfect for St. Patrick's Day and I'm going to jump straight into the tutorial, so if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon twisting, personal finance, and business tips. Some supplies you're going to need are a dual action hand inflator, one 260 size balloon twisting balloon. Both of these items can be found using the link in the description. Once you've gathered your supplies, let's get started. We're going to inflate our balloon, leaving about a 4-finger length tail. Give your balloon a good squeeze before we start to soften it and hopefully prevent it from popping. To start this shape, we're going to make a 5-inch long loop twist. An easy way to do this is to bend the balloon down, grab the nozzle with the same hand that you're already holding the balloon with, use your free hand to twist around this loop twist, and then take the nozzle and pull it through the loop twist to lock it in place. Once we have our first loop twist done, we're going to make 2 other loop twists about the same size as this one. As I'm twisting these into the same joint, I'm putting pressure on the rest of my balloon with the tail on it to soften it and make sure that there's not too much air pressurized in these loop twists. You may notice that your loop twists are separated a little bit in the middle here. An easy way to tighten this joint is to braid these 3 loop twists together to tighten everything up and bring everything closer together. There we go. Next, we're going to create a 1-inch bubble and turn that into an ear twist or a pinch twist, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use my thumb to put pressure on the remainder of my balloon and push it as close to this joint as possible while using my free hand to pull the bubble away from the 3 loop twists and twist it around a few times. At this point, I want to orient my shamrock so that the remainder of my balloon is going down. I have 2 loop twists on the side and my 3rd loop twist is on top. Now I have a pinch twist on this side to secure this joint. I'm going to create another one for the opposite side, so another 1-inch bubble turned into an ear twist. Now that we have an ear twist on both sides, we're going to orient these pedal twists so they're all facing forward. So the last thing we need to do to make this look even better is to round out our loop twists. The way I'm going to do that is to pull them apart on each side and push down on the top. I'm going to do that with all of my loop twists to create a more rounded shape. There we go. Now if we have a super long stem on this and you want to cut it down a little bit, you can use a quick break. If you're unfamiliar with the quick break method, check out my balloon twisting basics video, which has a pretty thorough explanation. There you are, my friends. That is your 1 balloon 3-leaf clover or shamrock. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That's a super small free way that you can show your support for my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. And let me know in the comments below which balloon shapes you'd like to learn next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.